I wonder if this thing will even start now. No. Wade's just got out of surgery.
Wow, Wade's is officially out of surgery, guys. Good job.
Now put it in front of my wheel.
Alright.
Just a different log.
Different log?
Oh my God.
I have now been in this hole for 30 minutes. Did something with it. Instead of sat there and
In
play
super
EverQuest.
chatted $25.
Time to get buried.
Let the hibernation begin.
Boogie, I sentence you to death.
Okay, we'll shovel the rest of that in.
Rook super chatted $25.
I tried to be too safe.
Dump it.
I tried to be way too safe.
Shovels.
My biggest fear was if I got too close, it would cave in and crush them. Damn it.
Thank you for not crushing me though.
You want
Found those players, but if I do,